My summer was not that good. Since May, I have big problems with my left hip. I get an inflammation, trochanter bursitis. Yeah, I can't do well conditional training the whole summer. New Zealand was not that good that I hoped for, and after New Zealand, I went to a new doctor, and he found out what's the problem. So it was a hard time for me, but now it's getting better, and I feel stronger, healthier. Mentally, it's better, and I'm looking forward to do the best. My last season was wonderful because I had problems too the summer before with my knee, and so now the same this year. It's I focus really on myself and listened in my body and do what I feel that's good for me. And yeah, I'm looking forward for this race because I was so successful the last time, or every time I started here in Sölden, and I like this course. I like Sölden, the glacier. I don't know. I feel quite good here. I mean, it's really steep here. That's what I like. Most time hard, icy. I feel better than last year. I feel stronger than last year because last year I started in September with skiing, and that's really late. I'm ready for Sölden. That's the thing. I hope I can stay fit for the whole season. I focus on the World Cup, especially slalom GS, and I want to be a winner. I want to win races this year. Last year I was good all the time. I was so often on the podium, but now I want to get a step forward and will be a winner.